In today's video, let me show you how to use Letterboxd AI to get movie recommendations. Now, to get the AI-powered movie recommendations based on your Letterboxd data, you need to use the community-built tools such as the Sam's Learners. So using this community tool, you'll be able to get recommendations based upon your data that is available. So what you simply need to do is open up a web browser, search for letterboxd.samlearner.com. And once you do, you'll be taken to this interface and which says Letterboxd movie recommendations. All you want to do is add in a valid or an existing username of your Letterboxd account, and you can either choose between a faster result or a better result. So you can just swipe this option and then you can just tap on the get recommendations. If you want to add your ratings to the recommended database, you can also check this option and simply tap on the get recommendations option. As it says right here, this site will gather movie ratings from any Letterboxd users and provide movie recommendations based on rating data. Also, the more movies you rated on Letterboxd, the better and more personalized the recommendations are gonna become. If you have added in a lot of ratings or reviews inside of Letterboxd, you're gonna get better recommendations basically upon the data that you have inside of your Letterboxd account. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.